Droplet Madness, and today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Scratch. So let's click on Create. Let's wait for it to load. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do color changing text. So we're gonna write, we can write anything you want. I'm gonna choose the glow ones. Let's say I want to write thank you. T T No, I don't want to paint. T H A A N N Y thank you. Y O U. U. This is then now to arrange them. T H A N Oh, I forgot K thank you. See, like this. And now there will be the same, you know, the same script. When green flag is clicked, we're gonna just do this. Their positions first, because we want to fix their positions. You like this, and then we're just gonna put the hat block. In all of them we're gonna put the hat block, and then also in every single one of them we cannot skip any one of them. And then last one, K. Then forever block, and then I'm gonna go to looks, change color effect by 50. We're gonna copy this on every single one. Now we're gonna attach them. Like this. This was our last step. Wait a second. Ooh, in this we did not. It's okay, we can do it again. just like this. Now, this was our tutorial. Now for the result. Oh, I have an idea. 25, 25, 25, 25, like this. Ooh. And now, and we also give it a colorful background without any borders. Red, orange, red, orange, y- yellow, yellow, green, yellow, green, green, blue, next, green, blue, and blue, light pink, no, dark pink, purple, and then, yeah, this is enough. And then, when green flag is clicked, forever, change color by effect by 100. No, not 100. 100 is too much. 40. Yeah, we're gonna write this color changing text. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.